Can you see right now my screen? Okay, perfect. So here we have the loops, that is Java. We have the first, that is Java while loop. Okay. So this is the loop. Yesterday we saw if conditions, but today we are watching the loops. That is, we have a first, that is what is while, and the second one we have a do while. Okay. First, what is loop? Loop can execute a block of code as long as specified condition is reached. Means what loop can do? So loop can execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is reached. Okay. So we have while, then the condition. This is a syntax, that is while we have a condition and block of statement to be executed. Okay. So we have a while, then the condition and the block of statement to be executed. Let's do this. So we have, it will start from here. Condition check. Okay, it will check the condition. Okay, if true, statement will execute. Again come to, okay, if true, it will statement will execute. Again it will come to this. Again it will come to the till the statement is false. Okay, let's do one program and then we can understand. So we have here this one. Daily we are doing on this. So we have integer. Okay, so we have integer first. We have an integer, that is integer I is equals to, okay, 1. Okay, this is my first statement. Okay, second, it's like a syntax. Now while, this is my condition and the block of statement to be executed. Okay, while this is my condition and the block of statement to be executed. Let's run this and then I will explain you how I'm getting the output. So you can see integer I is equals to 1. What is integer? Integer I is equals to 1. So what is my output? Output is 1. Clear? Second, while I is less than 5. What is I? I is less than 5. Right? I is less than 5. And then we have system.out.println, that is I. And then we have I plus plus. Okay, that is it. That's an incremental operator. We saw that day, that is, it's an incremental operator. It means it will increment the value by 1. Now, coming to the first again, this is I have while, condition and block of statement to be executed. Okay. Come to this again, we have while, condition and the block of statement to be executed. Now, how it's executing? Let's do. Okay, I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what is I? What is I? Okay, what is I is an integer type. How, what is the value? That is 1. Okay, so it will check the condition 1 while I is less than 5. Whether I is less than 5? Yes, I is less than 5 because it's 1. Then it will give output 1. Clear? It will give output 1. Now it will increment the value by 1 because it's an incremental operator. Now what is I? It's 1. So now it's 1 plus 1. Now you got it 2. Clear? It will come to this. Now it will come to this. What is I now? I will be 2. Okay, I will be 2. Now coming to this, while I is 2 is less than 5. Yes, 2 is less than 5. Then it will print the value 2. Coming to this, 2 plus 1 again. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So now what is, again, what is I right now? It comes to 3. It will check condition whether 3 is less than 5. Yes, 3 is less than 5. Okay, 3 is less than 5. The condition is true. Then it will give an output for 3. Okay, then it will come to this, 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Coming to this, what is I right now? It's 4. Now whether 4 is less than 5? Yes, 4 is less than 5. Condition is true. So it will give an output for 4. Now it comes to this, 4 plus 1, it's 5. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Now what is I right now? Right now I is 5. It will check the condition whether 5 is less than 5. No, the condition will be false. Once the conditional false, then output will be stop over here. Okay, you will not get an output. Again, I'm repeating. Integer I is equals to 1, right? I is equals to 1 while I is less than 5. System out dot println I, and then we have an incremental operator, that is I plus plus. Okay, now what is I is 1. Whether 1 is less than 5, yes, 1 is less than 5, you can get the output for 1. Then 1 plus 1, this will increment the value, that is 1 plus 1 will 2. Now what is I will be 2 right now, so 2 is less than 5, yes, 2 is less than 5. Then we have an output for 2. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Now I is 3. 3 is less than 5, yes, 3 is less than 5, so its condition will be true. Then you can get it an output for 3. Coming to this, 3 plus 1 is 4. Coming to this, I is equals to 4 right now, so 4 is less than 5, yes, 4 is less than 5. The condition is true, then it will give an output, so you can get in 4. I plus plus 4 plus 1 is 5, so it will come to this, whether 5 I is equals to 5 while 5 is less than 5, yes, 5 is less than 5. 5 is less than 5, no, 5 is not less than 5, so it's a false. So once the condition is false, the output will be stop over here, so you will not get any output. This is the way it is giving an outputs. Okay, coming to this, if we change this with 0, now it starts with 0. Same, it will work, but now it starts with 0. So I is 0 while 5 is okay, 5 is less than 0, yes, so you can get it the output 0 first. That's why you're getting 0 1 2 3 4. It's clear. If this is clear, we have one more thing. Or I will make it some other and then we'll show you. No, this will not work over here. So this is the output for, okay, while. Coming to the file. So yes, now you're getting 0 1 2 3 4. I explained you everything. Second, I is equals to 10. I is greater than 5. Yes. I is greater than 5. Yes, because it's a 10. So it's greater than 5. Now, what is I? It's I. Okay, it will I. It's a decremental operator we are using over here. That is I minus minus. Okay, I minus minus. So we are using I minus minus over here. In this, what happens? It will check. Okay, it will check. It will give an output. It will give an out. Let's do this. Integer I is equals to 10 while I is greater than 5. Okay, I should be always greater than 5. System.println I. It will every time it will decrement the value by 1. So you will get an output 10 9 8 4 10 9 8 7 6. You can get it like this. You want this? I will explain you. Okay, so now you are getting this 10 9 8 6 till 6. Okay, now what is I? It's 10. 10 is greater than 5, yes, 10 is greater than 5. Once the condition is true, you can get it the output with 10. Then 10 minus 1, okay, it will decrement the value. 10 minus 1 is 9. So now it comes to this. Okay, I will be 9 while 9 is greater than 5, yes, so you can get it 9. 9 minus 1, okay, 9 minus 1, it's 8. Coming to this, it will 8. 8 is greater than 5, yes, it will be greater than 5. Then you can get it an output for, okay, 8. Now 8 minus 1, that is 7. Coming to this, it's a 7. 7 minus 5, 7 will be greater than 5, yes, you can get an output for 7. Then you have 7 minus 1 at 6. 6 I will be 6. 6 is greater than 5, yes, 6 is greater than 5, you can get it output for 6. Then 6 minus 1, it will be 5. I will be 5 right now. 5 is greater than 5. 5 will be greater than 5, no, so condition will be stop. This is what we call it as decremental, with the help of decremental operator. Okay, we are using the same while. If this is understood, let's come to do while loop. Now we have do while loop. Okay, do first is while loop. Okay, same while, then the condition and block of statement to be executed. But in do while, do block of statement execute, and then we have a while condition. Okay, so first it will give an output, then it will check for the condition. So difference between while and do while is, if one is also wrong, one statement is also wrong, it will execute it. I will show you that as well. Okay, so now integer, this is, so do block of statement to be executed, and then we have a condition. Okay, same the syntax. Do block of statement executed, and we have a condition. Do system.out.println, then we have I, and let's run this, and then I will show you. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So integer I is equals to 0. Do system.out.println I, and then I plus plus. Okay. So now what is I? I is 0. It will give an output for, directly it will give an output for 0 without checking any condition. Then 0 plus 1 is 1. Coming to this, we have 0 plus 1. It's gain 1. Then, okay, it will come to this. Now it will be 1. Okay, it will give an output for 1. Then again it will increment the value, that is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is true. Then whether it will check the condition, 2 is less than 5. Yes, 2 is less than 5. You can, now it will go here again, so you can get it 2 will give an output for 2. Coming to this, 2 plus 1, okay, it's 3. Now we'll check the condition, 3 is less than 5. Yes, coming to this, it will give an output for 3. Again 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is less than 5. Yes, so it will go here. Again it will store a 4. Then do system.out.println, it will give an output for 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. While 5 is less than or equals to 5. Yes, we have one condition, yesterday only we saw equals to. Okay, so two conditions are there. So yes, it's equals to 5. So you will get, it will go here, and you will get an output for 5. This is what we called as, and if it comes to 5 plus 1, 6, it will go to here, condition check, and it will stop over here. So you can get an output until 5 only, and that's why you're getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what we call as do while loop. Here, if I am putting one condition, that is 11. Now I is equals to 11. Condition is I is less than equals to 5, but still it will execute an 11 because there is no checkpoint over here. So while it will give an output first, and then we'll check the condition. So 11 do will give an output over here, plus plus 11 plus 1, it's 12. Then it will check 12 is less than equals to 5, will check it, and then you it will stop it. But first, whenever it's wrong, it will give an one output. That is what we call as do while loop. So difference between while and do while is, okay, while it will check the condition before execution, but in do while loop, first condition will not checked and given output, and other conditions are checked, and it will stop it. This is what we call as do while loop. It's perfect now. This is what we call as while loop and do while loop.